were selling on the yesterday's analysis, as you know, and we hit both of our bearish targets, first one and second one as well. So we took our profits, and today we had a bullish move up. We came back up again to the screens, and for today we decide we will be buying this. Okay, guys, it's very simple. For as long as we stay above. Wait a minute. Yep. Uh, Come on. For today, guys, as long as we stay above 109645, guys, we are bullish. We keep on buying this. And my first bullish target would be 111,550. Again, guys, if you break below this, you will be seeing the support soon, and that would be 108196. So, guys, it's very simple. As long as we're above this, we keep on buying it. At first, I would have preferred to enter from here, but because uh, significant this is a significant support area is lower, so I was like, okay, maybe a bit low, I would keep it. So, anyways, guys, as long as we above this, 111,550 would be our target, and if we break below this guys, our target would be 108196. So, guys, I keep on buying. I hope you guys do keep on doing the same, and see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys make money trading this pair.